Hi everyone, you are all welcome to Mr. Government Skills Acquisition Training Program. Today I'm going to show you how to design this simple architectural design using PicsArt. If you enter PicsArt, you'll see the options for photos, videos, Insta, then scroll them and click on draw and color. Then click on square. Here are different sizes, then click on square. After you click on square, then click on that layers to remove that layer. Click on that layer to remove that layer. Then here are different brushes that we have. We use these different brushes to design various things. You see all of them, they are all brushes that we use in design. And this is shape. We use this shape also to design something. If you have square in this shape, you can either leave it in stroke or you can fill it. You can either leave it in stroke or you can fill it. Either click on stroke or click on fill. Let me click on that good arrow after I click on square. I'm going to use my finger to draw the straight line. After drawing the straight line, still I'm going to use my finger to adjust the straight line. I'm going to unhighlight it by clicking on an empty background, then draw another straight line. While drawing the straight line, always remember to start from a different angle. If you want to delete something, click on eraser. Then zoom in your background using two of your fingers and click on eraser. Let me adjust the size to 12, then delete the part that you want to delete. You can zoom it out using two of your fingers again. Then let me click on shape. This is brush. Let me click on shape. I'm going to change my shape to straight line, size 5. I'm going to use my finger to draw the straight line. Let me show you the original photo. Here's the original one. Let me click on eraser to delete this part and design a flow. I click on shape. Let me click on shape to change the straight line to square. Let me click on stroke. Let me reduce the thickness to 3. I'm going to add a stair in this veranda. I'm using my finger to adjust the size and everything. I'm going to add another step. Let me add another step. Here's the step. Let me show you the original one. I'm going to add these straight lines like rulers. We use these straight lines that are blue in color for measurement. You can find this blue straight line in shape and change the color to blue and change the thickness to either size 2 or size 1. This thickness of this blue straight line, I'm using size 2, but if you like, you can use size 1 as the thickness of your straight line. This is a simple architectural design using PicsArt. As I said earlier, you can get this blue straight line in the icon for shape, and you can reduce the size, or I can say the thickness of this blue straight line to thickness number 2 or thickness number 1. Click on that 3 straight lines at the top to save your work, then click on download, then click on that arrow at the top to save your work also in your gallery. Then click on save, then click on save in your device. After saving your work is going to appear in your gallery. Here's your work, then click on it and continue with your work. Here's your work. Let me show you the original one. Here's the original one. Let's go back to our own work. In this step, you can scroll and click on text to add the inches. 12 inches make 1 feet. In building, engineers call them feet, the number of feet. I'll be adding stroke to each number of feet. This is 32 feet. So the size of the house, the size of this house is 32 by 37 feet. The size of this veranda or porch or corridor is 12 by 12 feet. And the size of this bedroom is 13 feet by 12 feet. And the size of this toilet, or we call it bathroom, is 8 by 4 feet. After adding more text, it will start showing you limit for items reached. Click on download at the top to save your work, then exit the app. Your work will appear, then click on it and continue with your work. I type veranda, or we call it porch or corridor. Then let me add parlor. Then I'm going to add bedroom. Then I'm going to click on text to add another bedroom. I'm going to click on text to add another bedroom because we have 3 bedrooms in this house. 1 parlor, 3 bedrooms. Then here's kitchen. Then here is bathroom or toilet. Here's bathroom. Bathroom in bedroom. Here's another bathroom or toilet. We are done. After adding more text, it will show limit for items reached again. Click on that download at the top to save your work again. Your work is going to appear in your gallery. Then exit the app and enter the app again. Select your work. Your work is going to appear, then continue with your work again. Thank you.